Hi, I'm Sean and I'm just going to explain how the shutter priority works. So first, use the mode control here to find the shutter priority, which is S in the corner there. And basically, what shutter priority is largely about is the ability to change the shutter speed. Quite often it's used for freezing action. So moving objects, you want a fast shutter speed so that it freezes the action. Just bring a little subject into the picture like that, and here I've got it at 1,000th of a second. Typically, if you're hand holding a picture, then below a 60th you're starting to get a little bit of camera shake, and certainly at a 30th, unless you've got a very steady hand, you're going to have some pretty big problems. So generally speaking, you want it around the sort of 125. But if it's children running around the garden, then you definitely want to have it even higher than that, 250 plus. As I change the shutter speed, you'll notice that the ISO, which is this number up here, changes appropriately. So that's compensating, making sure the exposure is correct, but you've still got the control here to make it lighter or darker as you desire. You may have noticed from previous videos the symbol here that is only controlling the shutter, because the exposure is actually determined by the app itself. And that's shutter priority.